A groundbreaking artificial intelligence technology is now enabling people to reconnect with the voices of their deceased loved ones. By analyzing recordings or even just descriptions of a person's voice, this advanced program can recreate their speech patterns, tone, and unique expressions. The result is a powerful, one-minute dialogue that feels as though you are truly speaking with someone from your past. Across the globe, individuals are using this technology to find closure, express unspoken words, and relive cherished moments. One woman shared her experience of speaking with the voice of her grandfather who passed away years ago, saying that telling him, "I love you" one last time was a deeply emotional and invaluable experience. The technology has quickly gained attention and sparked widespread interest, yet it also brings with it profound ethical considerations. As AI becomes increasingly capable of handling such intimate and emotional data, society is beginning to grapple with the implications of reviving voices from the past and the potential impacts on our understanding of memory, grief, and human connection.